The Supreme Court of the United States is the country's highest court of law. Established by Article 3 of the U.S. Constitution, it has jurisdiction over all federal and state court cases involving a federal law, as well as original jurisdiction over a narrow range of other cases. The power to nominate justices to the Supreme Court is vested in the President, but must be voted on and approved by the U.S. Senate. As justices receive lifetime tenure, this decision is one that typically outlasts the hold that a specific party might have on the executive and legislative branches. This can lead to gridlocks when appointments are being made, especially if they are near the end of a president's term, when the minority party might hope to gain majority in the next election and appoint their own justice. Currently, the Supreme Court consists of 1 Chief Justice and 8 Associate Justices, for a total of 9, but this wasn't always the case. The Constitution does not actually stipulate the number of Associate Justices, leaving Congress to set the number. When the court was first established, it had 6 members. The number has since ranged from 5 to 10 justices. Having an odd number of justices means that decisions are less likely to end deadlocked. Since justices can recuse themselves, it is possible that only 8 will decide on a case. But it also means that the court's balance of power leans towards one party. If a justice dies or steps down, the sitting president gets to appoint a replacement, even if they are not from the same party. The fear of older justices dying during opposing party holds on government has led to debate on whether justices should step down and retire during terms when a party that appointed them is in power, so they can be replaced by a more like-minded justice. Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who did not retire during Barack Obama's presidency, died during Donald Trump's term, allowing him to appoint Justice Amy Coney Barrett. Another debate has centered around packing the court. Since the number of justices can change, some propose that Congress should add seats to the Supreme Court, allowing the sitting president to appoint more than one and shifting the balance of power. That balance of power on the Supreme Court is important because it represents the third branch of the government, the judicial branch, and has the power to strike down an executive presidential order or declare a law from Congress unconstitutional.